Cosmetic dentistry is kind of a range of things that we can do for patients. We can do simple things as some bonding of teeth to change, one or two smaller areas, or we can go all the way into doing veneers. And then some of it is if we have to do more extensive crowns. It depends on what the patient has had for their past dental work. We try to keep everything so conservative when we do the dental work. We have just some recent cases that we're just lightly prepping the teeth just to change, the color and the contour. We get to hear the patient's story. We get to hear what their desires are on how their smile is. We like to talk to them about what they don't like about them and then what bothers them and then how they will feel about the change and what kind of impact it is. We like to hear their story. And then, we like to take all that information and then along with them design a smile. One of the main things that we do here at my office at David Crumpton is we take and use apps. There's some specific dental apps that are made that let us design a smile. When we do this, we can design the smile. We can even have smiles 3D printed so that the patient can have them placed on and look at the smile from a photographic experience so that they can see what they will look like prior to us even working. This whole advantage of doing this and designing a smile on their face digitally allows us to get what they like to look like, what they want to look like, without even having to touch a tooth. Okay, the old-fashioned way is we had to actually start working on a tooth and then have the patient believe that what we were going to do in the end was going to come out what they envisioned. This way, the new technology allows us to get to what they envision first so that they can see what they're going to look like before we even do any work on the patient. It's just such a better way to work and allow people to see what they're going to look like before they come into the office.